Fasten your seatbelt as we explore these eye-catching island, mesmerizing places and heart-flattering activities here at the island born of fire, Camiguin. So everyone, let me introduce to you myself. My name is Alea Eileen Montero. You can call me Ate Alea for short, and I will be your official tour guide for this day. Everyone, just calm down and be amazed as I bring you to the most spectacular island here in the Philippines, Camiguin. Camiguin Islands have a lot to offer. There are jungles to explore, white beach sand to play on, waterfalls to discover, cultures to enrich, and more. Camiguin is located in Camiguin Province here in the Philippines. Camiguin is known to the island Born of Fire. Why Born of Fire? Because it has 7 volcanoes and several volcanic domes. Land movements and volcanic eruptions have created this spectacular island, which is full of natural wonders and historical riches. Fun fact, Camiguin Island is listed among top 10 as dive spots worldwide. The island of Camiguin is, however, different. After all, in a land where 7 volcanoes lie, a faith goes a long way. The faith and devotion of people of Camiguin is apparent in many of its most popular attractions, such as in Catarmans, the walkway to Old Volcano, and the Sunken Cemetery. So here's the story. Mount Vulcan erupted in the year 1827 and in 1862, which have claimed many of lives. Later after, in the year 1871, it had another eruptions, and this time, it caused the island's old city sink underwater. One places that got soaked is the old community cemetery, which still emerged when the tide is low in the following years. Next on the list is Katibawasan Falls. Katibawasan Falls is one of the most popular tourist spots in Camiguin Island, Philippines. Located at the foot of Mount Timpoong and rises some 250 feet in height, equivalent to a 25-story building. One can swim in its refreshing cool waters. Picnic areas and restrooms are found within the area. Katibawasan Falls is the tallest waterfall in Camiguin Islands that stands at a whopping 70 meters at tall. This is one waterfall you definitely want to add on your list of things to see in Camiguin. Moving on to the feast of Camiguin Island, Lanzanas Festival. Lanzanas Festival is an annual event marked in month of October. It is a 4-day festival event held to celebrate a bounty harvest of Lanzanas fruit. Did you know that Lanzanas is also known as Langsats? It is type of tree in the mahogany group of plants, and whose edible fruits are favorite for many people here in the Philippines. The origin of Lanzanas in Southeast Asia has made it critical part of this festival. One of the most remarkable things that tourists will notice about this festival is that houses and street posts will often be decorated with lanzanas. By indulging in the Lanzanas Festival, visitors are often awed by the need to remain grateful for a bounty harvest, as well as for rich cultural heritage in their chosen destination. Fun tour, right? So this marked the end of our tour, and I hope every one of you learned and enjoy our trip here in Camiguin Island. So once again, my name is Alea Elaine Montero, your official tour guide, and hoping to see you again.